Hey everyone, welcome to the next video. This time we're going to be looking at converting decimal fractions to fractions, and we're going to include whole numbers to make it a bit more interesting. So we've already looked at how to convert a fraction, so a tenth, a hundredth, or a thousandth, to a decimal fraction. This time we're going to look at the other way around, and hopefully it should be a simple conversion since you know how to do one way. So when you look at the screen we've got now, the fraction I've written is 0 and 82/100ths. Now we know if we're going to write that as a fraction, let's even colour it in first. Assuming this shape here is a whole, 82/100ths will have all of this one. So we've got 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So all of these would be shaded in. And then we've also got two more there. So that's 82/100ths. And if we were to write that in fraction form, and we know this whole is broken up to 100 pieces, and we've just shaded in 82 of them, so that's why we can write it like that. Okay, but what if we had a fraction? I need to remove that off the screen. What if we had a fraction where you had a whole number included? It's a little bit different then. It's actually really easy to write still, because we looked at it in class, improper fractions and mixed numbers, and effectively that's what it is. So we're looking at some mixed numbers here. So 3 and 41/100ths basically means you've got three wholes. So that would mean you'd have all of this coloured in, all of this one coloured in, and all of this one coloured in. And then you would have 41/100ths shaded in too. So you've got four columns. So those four columns here, plus terrible colouring, plus the one extra there. So when we're writing that as a fraction form, the 41/100ths, we've already seen how to do that from previous videos also. That's what that looks like. But we've still got this 3 here, these three wholes. So anything to the left of the decimal place refers to a whole number. In this case, we would write it like that. So 3 wholes, or 3, and 41/100ths. Let me get rid of that off the screen and look at the last example. This number here, we have 17 wholes, because 17 is not part of the fraction form, and the fraction we have here, and again we looked at a few of those examples this morning, that basically means we have 2/10ths. In the tenths column we have 5/100ths, but we also read that as 25/100ths. Okay, so the 17 wholes and 25/100ths. And that's pretty much how you do it. It's fairly straightforward, isn't it? This bit here you're already comfortable with. The new bit for some of you will be looking at the wholes, and really that doesn't